I have to admit, 2021 में I wasn't the first one to discover the Great Indian Kitchen. In fact, many of you commented on my channel in the comments and said कि नी स्ट्रीम करके कोई नया OTT प्लेटफॉर्म है, उस पर फिल्म है इंडी, प्लीज उसको जाके देखो. Yeah, that was a different time. People were still actively watching and engaging with real, actual movie reviews. Not that rubbish many of you are watching now. You know who you are. I digress. So I had watched that film on Niche Stream and it caught me itna by surprise that I had to speak with the director, Geo Baby, and pick his brains to figure how does a man, a male member of the human species, make such an incredibly feminist film? A film that made me feel so seen. That whole conversation from that time is very old, but I will link it in the description इस वीडियो के नीचे, उसको देखना. अभी आओ ग्रेट इंडियन किचन की हिंदी अडेप्टेशन को देखते हैं. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. इस वीक रिव्यूज की बारिश हो रही है, starting with the Sania Malhotra starrer Mrs. directed by Aarti Kadav. पहला ट्रेलर इस मूवी का 2023 में आया था. Since then, it's been busy doing rounds of some film festivals. Finally, now streaming on ZEE5, Mrs. is approachable and innocuous on the surface. It's a seemingly simple story about food, family, and love, but one which reveals itself to be more of a feminist statement on patriarchy, जो life में इतनी ingrained है, so many of us don't even see it anymore, right? कभी अनफॉर्चुनेटली अरेंज मैरिज मीटिंग अगर आपको झेलनी पड़ी है लाइफ में, या घर पे यू हर्ड सम अंकल डिक्लेयर घर का खाना सबसे अच्छा लगता है, दिस फिल्म विल हिट होम. सो देयर इज रिचा, played by Sania Malhotra. She's married off to Divakar, who is played by Nishan Dayya. The arrangement is not entirely against her wishes, but her opinion isn't explicitly solicited either. She's a dutiful bahu, she helps in the kitchen, she dotes over her handsome husband, she bows her head in namaste as many times as is required of her. A few weeks into this new marriage, her mother-in-law has to go tend to her own daughter. The household's burden is now on Richa and she begins to feel the real weight of, well, the burden she has been saddled with. कई घरों की तरह इस घर में भी the sound of that silbatta, the grinding stone, is how the family men know that mother is in the room next door. पापा के जूते रेडी रखे हुए हैं तो मीन्स घर ठीक ठाक से चल रहा है, और अगर अजवैन का पानी टाइम पर नहीं आया मतलब थिंग्स हैव बिगन टू फॉल अपार्ट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दैट डिसेप्टिवली डिलिशियस लुकिंग फूड जिसकी रेसिपीज परफेक्ट हुई हैं थैंक्स टू थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इयर्स ऑफ ऑपरेशन, जिनको प्यार से हम ट्रेडिशन कह देते हैं. सो क्यूट, ट्रेडिशन. Each new dish is a metaphor for control. The bubbling oil in it is the explosive frustration that's, well, ready to explode. At one point, Richa's whole being seems to merge with the very food she's cooking. The camera is helplessly looking at her upward from within the kadhai she's toiling over. Kadav and co-writers Anu Singh Chaudhary with Harman Baweja. Yes, wahi Harman Baweja. He has a writing credit. They try hard to adapt the original to suit a very typical Delhi household. But honestly, beyond the car license plate saying DL and infused inflection in the spoken Hindi, this could be any city in India. While it is sad to observe the universality of the story, it also makes you wonder why then this remake was necessary when the original exists on a streaming platform right next to this one. Bilkul aaju-baaju icons and TV par. This is on Amazon, no? The older one. Aarti Kadav was a visionary filmmaker. Her feature Cargo remains one of my favorite Hindi films of the last decade. However, outside of the technical achievement of making this film and conducting its various processes, most of the credit for any effect Mrs. might have honestly belongs to Geo Baby.
गरम फुल्के नहीं है, ये कुकर में पकाया आपने? फिर तो बेटा ये पुलाव हुआ, बिरयानी नहीं.
Mrs. is too faithful a remake. Barring some ineffective song and dance, every beat in this film is nearly identical to the original. Even if one hasn't watched Geo Baby's film, the Bollywood sheen, texture, and overall voice in Mrs. is just so overwhelming and complete, one can pretty accurately predict where each scene is headed. It's too Bollywood. Not to mention eager but sad background music ready to hold your hand, a little too tight, reminding you what you must feel in each moment, lest the message is lost. The adaptation also leans away from commenting on dictatorial practices ingrained within religion that stop women from living full lives while men pray to female deities all day long. Despite not being subtle at all, somehow Mrs. still manages to subdue its own rebellion. There is necessary commentary threaded through this film, obviously. A housemaid unquestioningly cleans up endless messes made by the men. nonchalantly mentioning how she is shunned for her lower caste in this household, doesn't even bother her. Shadi ke gifts are absurdly practical kitchen appliances and utensils with one lone pair of headphones tossed in the middle. And the message is clear: stay in your designated space, i.e., the kitchen, and if you must listen to music, do it quietly. Russian nesting dolls भी दिखाई देती है एक बार, और larger dolls are men, smaller ones are women, expected to shrink and disappear. The film's feminist critique might be blunt, but it could be effective for those who still need to be shown the heavily lopsided aftermath of what happens and who loses when modernity and tradition clash in Indian households. A father-in-law who never says thank you, a husband who never truly sees his wife, and a set of parents who keep extolling the virtues of adjust kar lo na beta. They are familiar beats for anybody watching. But beyond the familiarity, Mrs. doesn't take its protagonist's catharsis to a point where the audience is poised to feel Richa's release. The lackluster, uninspiring closing song doesn't quite bookend the screenplay as it was intended to. Sani Malhotra, as I've said before many times, remains one of the more engaging young actors working in Bollywood today. In Mrs., she plays it safe, and much like co-stars Kamaljeet, Nishant Dahya, the result is a perfectly serviceable performance. The actors together enable Mrs. to repeat this essential question: how radical does everyday feminism need to be in order to escape cycles of unflinching abuse? Moments in this film might compel you to actively curse at the screen. And honestly, that, amid the quality of mainstream Hindi cinema we are saddled with right now, seems like the sign of a movie doing what it's supposed to do, but not much more. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Mrs. is... एक दिन पहले I had checked that Nestream platform doesn't even exist anymore, right? Anyone know what happened to it? Alright, up next also today, Boman Irani's directorial The Mehta Boys, starring Irani himself and Avinash Tiwari. Another film, honestly, that explores what happens when two generations with different worldviews collide as circumstances force them to spend time within one house. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss it when that one comes. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.